insecure, I'm overwhelmed. Go to hell. I'm insecure, I'm overwhelmed. I can't forget you said go to hell. You say you love me, but I know better. I still read the writing in that old letter, but it don't matter, cause I won't get it. I'm so fucking sick of this cold weather. It started raining and it won't let it. Mama, you promised me it would go better, but I'm cut deep and it won't heal. And I don't think and I don't feel, wanna OD, but my mom's still here. I can't leave her with them bills. You don't know me, you know the old me. How you told me I'm the one and only. I'm so fucking sick of all this growing. Don't say you love me, I'm forever lonely. I keep on hearing that it takes time. Maybe I'll get it when I'm older. I see my nephews do a FaceTime, and they just keep on getting older. Keep on getting out of waste time. My mom trying to be a soldier, but I can't keep begging for closure. Maybe she'll love me when I'm sober. If you don't need